and welcome to Compare. Today, we're going to explore one of the most powerful and destructive natural disasters on Earth: earthquakes. From devastating cities to triggering tsunamis, earthquakes can have a profound impact on countries and communities. But have you ever wondered why some countries are more prone to earthquakes than others? In this video, we'll be comparing the occurrence of earthquakes in Turkey, Iran, and Thailand with Europe and America. We'll dive into the reasons why these countries experience earthquakes and what makes them more or less susceptible to these seismic events. So let's get started and see what we can learn from this fascinating comparison. Earthquake-prone countries: Turkey, Iran, and Thailand. Turkey. Location: Turkey is located on the boundary between the Eurasian and African tectonic plates. Tectonic plate boundaries: the Eurasian plate is moving northwards towards the African plate, causing stress to build up in the Earth's crust. Fault lines: the North Anatolian Fault Zone, NAFZ, is a major fault line that runs through Turkey and contributes to earthquakes. Recent earthquakes: 1999. Izmit earthquake, magnitude 7.4. 2020. Elazığ earthquake, magnitude 6.8. Impact: thousands of deaths and injuries. Widespread destruction of buildings and infrastructure. Iran. Location: Iran is situated on the boundary between the Eurasian and Arabian tectonic plates. Tectonic plate boundaries: the Arabian plate is moving northwards towards the Eurasian plate, causing stress to build up in the Earth's crust. Fault lines: the Zagros Fault Zone is a major fault line that runs through Iran and contributes to earthquakes. Recent earthquakes: 2003. Bam earthquake, magnitude 6.6. 2017. Kermanshah earthquake, magnitude 7.3. Impact: thousands of deaths and injuries. Widespread destruction of buildings and infrastructure. Thailand. Location: Thailand is located on the boundary between the Eurasian and Indo-Australian tectonic plates. Tectonic plate boundaries: the Indo-Australian plate is moving northwards towards the Eurasian plate, causing stress to build up in the Earth's crust. Fault lines: the Mai Ping Fault Zone is a major fault line that runs through Thailand and contributes to earthquakes. Recent earthquakes: 2004. Sumatran earthquake, magnitude 9.1. 2014. Mae Lao earthquake, magnitude 6.3. Impact: thousands of deaths and injuries. Widespread destruction of buildings and infrastructure. Earthquake-resistant countries: Europe and America. Europe. Location: Europe is located in the interior of the Eurasian tectonic plate. Tectonic plate. Boundaries: Europe is far from major tectonic plate boundaries, reducing the likelihood of earthquakes. Geological features: Europe's geology is characterized by stable continental crust, reducing the likelihood of earthquakes. Recent earthquakes: 2009. L'Aquila earthquake, magnitude 6.3. 2011. Crete earthquake, magnitude 6.1. Impact: limited damage and casualties compared to other regions. America. Location: America is located in the interior of the North American tectonic plate. Tectonic plate boundaries: America is far from major tectonic plate boundaries, reducing the likelihood of earthquakes. Geological features. America's geology is characterized by stable continental crust, reducing the likelihood of earthquakes. Recent earthquakes. 2011. Virginia earthquake, magnitude 5.8. 2014. Napa earthquake, magnitude 6.0. Impact. Limited damage and casualties compared to other regions. Comparison with earthquake-prone countries. 130 as, 2 at quat. Earthquake frequency. Europe and America experience fewer earthquakes compared to earthquake-prone countries. Earthquake. Magnitude. Earthquakes in Europe and America tend to have lower magnitudes compared to earthquake-prone countries. Impact. The impact of earthquakes in Europe and America is generally less severe compared to earthquake-prone countries. Comparison of earthquake data. Frequency of earthquakes. Turkey. 10 to 20 earthquakes per year with a magnitude of 4.0 or higher. Iran. 15 to 30 earthquakes per year with a magnitude of 4.0 or higher. Thailand. 5 to 10 earthquakes per year with a magnitude of 4.0 or higher. Europe. 1 to 5 earthquakes per year with a magnitude of 4.0 or higher. America. 1-5 earthquakes per year with a magnitude of 4.0 or higher. Magnitude of earthquakes. Turkey. Average magnitude of 5.5 to 6.5. Iran. Average magnitude of 5.5 to 6.5. Thailand. Average magnitude of 5.0, 6.0. Europe. Average magnitude of 4.5, 5.5. America. Average magnitude of 4.5 to 5.5. Effects of earthquakes. Turkey. 10,000 to 20,000 deaths and injuries per year, 1 to 5 billion in economic losses. Iran. 5,000 to 10,000 deaths and injuries per year, 1 to 5 billion in economic losses. Thailand. 1,000 to 5,000 deaths and injuries per year, $100 million 1 billion in economic losses. Europe. 100 to 1,000 deaths and injuries per year, $10 or $100 million in economic losses. America. 100 to 1,000 deaths and injuries per year, $10 or $100 million in economic losses. As we've explored in this video, earthquakes are a powerful and destructive force of nature that can have a profound impact on countries and communities. From the earthquake-prone countries of Turkey, Iran, and Thailand to the earthquake-resistant countries of Europe and America, we've seen how different regions are affected by these seismic events. Earthquakes can occur anywhere, but some countries are more prone to them than others. Understanding the causes and effects of earthquakes is crucial for disaster preparedness and mitigation. By comparing earthquake data, we can gain valuable insights into the frequency, magnitude, and impact of these events. We encourage you to share your thoughts and experiences with earthquakes in the comments below. Have you or someone you know been affected by an earthquake? What steps have you taken to prepare for earthquakes in your area? If you found this video informative and engaging, please subscribe to our channel for more videos on disaster preparedness and mitigation. Share this video with your friends and family on social media using hashtags like earthquakes, #disaster preparedness. As we conclude this video, we hope you've gained a deeper understanding of earthquakes and their impact on our world. Remember, disaster preparedness is key to saving lives and reducing the impact of these events. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.